Hey guys, it's Sarah from Sleepopolis, and before I get into my review of this dual zone ChiliPad, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now of course it does come with detailed instructions in this here pamphlet. However, I figure we might take a closer look at what exactly goes into setting up this ChiliPad. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get this out of the box and onto your mattress or mattress protector. Then we're going to cover it with a fitted sheet. Okay, hard part's over. Now let's get into the fun details. Now that your mattress has these tails, what do we do with them? Well, we're actually looking at a dual zone ChiliPad. So it's going to have two control units rather than one, which we'll learn a little bit more about in my full written and video review. But for now, you just take the ends, which are pretty clearly indicated, and plug them into the back of your control unit. You'll hear it click, so you know it goes in properly. Once you've got those hooked up, you're going to take the cord and plug it into an outlet. These units should be positioned at either the foot or the head of your bed, sort of for convenience. Okay, and you plug each one in. Now your control units are officially set up. Now we're not going to turn them on or do anything until we get them filled with water. So just so we don't make any messes, let me show you how to do that. So when filling your control units, the first thing to know is you're going to want to use distilled water. Now I'll get more into that in my written and video review, but while it's not mandatory, it's best to be using distilled water. So basically you just unscrew the cap. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. You're going to want to fill slowly the cube with water. You know, kind of when you see it getting full, pull back a little bit. You'll see that the water is being sort of immersed, and you can tell the cube is thirsty, basically. It's drinking up the water in order to fill your pad. So just very slowly pour the water in. If you're not using enough water, it will clearly indicate that the cube needs more water by sort of a flashing droplet of water that will present on the display screen. But once it's good to go, a temperature number will flash up on the screen and you're officially ready to control the temperature with your remote control. Just screw the cap back on and you're ready to set your temperature. So like I said, this is a dual zone ChiliPad, meaning you've got your remote and they have their remote. You can set the temperature with yours and they can set the temperature with theirs so that one side is how you like it and one side is how they like it. It's a pretty big temperature range from 55 degrees to 110. You can hear the whirring sound. Basically, when you want to make it cooler, hit the little frosty button. It's blue, so you'll know. And if you want to make it warmer, hit the red heater button. And it's simple as that. You're ready to enjoy your ChiliPad. So, now that we know everything about how to set it up, I'm sure you're eager to know what it feels like. So, you'll have to check out my full video and written review of the ChiliPad by Googling Sleepopolis ChiliPad. Thanks for watching.